Hey beautiful people, it's Keegan Rouse. I am absolutely stoked to be able to introduce this person. It's been a personal dream of mine. Now, this person is here to accept their Teen Choice Award. He is known for being a super nice, super humorous man, and even on occasions a super spontaneous one. He frequently donates to charity and has even done a Make-A-Wish. The hero in crimson, the electric detective, welcome on the stage the world's greatest soap opera star and Green Bay Packers' biggest fan, and now the top comedy movie actor, Ryan Reynolds. So that is most likely how I would introduce Ryan Reynolds, I think. It's not perfect, it needs a lot of work, and if I tried to make it longer, but for this one I wanted to keep it rather short while just providing some lesser known facts like the fact that he used to be a soap opera star and that he is a super big Green Bay Packers fan. So yeah, that's probably going to be all. Like I said, it's really short, and thank you all for watching. Bye.